everyone, welcome back to the kitchen and our Christmas in July celebration. Today we're going to bring the flavors of Christmas into the heat of the summer, and we're going to make frozen hot chocolate for a hot summer day. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be doing a holiday classic with a summertime twist. We're going to be making frozen hot chocolate. And I know you guys have probably heard about that, and maybe you've even made some for yourself. But I thought it would be the perfect inclusion for our Christmas in July. Because maybe, just maybe, we should have a little holiday celebration right now. So that we can fire up the Christmas movies, put on the Christmas music, maybe exchange a couple of gifts with our friends and family, even if it's from far away, and make some frozen hot chocolate and really just have a good time of it. So what you're gonna need to get started is, I have 4 cups of ice cubes. Best to use cubes here, not crushed or shaved ice, because the cubes really are gonna hold up better. I have 1 cup of your favorite hot cocoa mix. So this would be whatever your favorite instant hot cocoa mix is that you keep on your shelf in the winter time or in the cold months. This is my homemade version. I'll leave a link down below to where you can find a recipe. I have a cup of milk, a cup of heavy cream. You can use half and half here. You can use all whole milk if you want, or whatever kind of dairy you prefer, whether it's nut milk, oat milk, what have you. We're gonna top it off with some chocolate syrup, some whipped cream, and some mini chocolate chips, but you could go ahead and use Christmas sprinkles if you have some on hand. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna pour the milk and the cream right on in here with the hot cocoa mix, because we're gonna wanna blend those up first. Because this is a cold application, the hot cocoa mix needs to kind of get going first so it's not so gritty. So we're just gonna blend this really gently. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna turn it up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add our ice in. And we're gonna blend that up until it's nice and thick and icy. And that's as easy as it gets. You have nice, frothy, icy, hot cocoa drink. That's not hot, but it's cool and refreshing for summer. So if you want to take the extra step, go ahead and you can drizzle your favorite chocolate syrup inside of your cup. If you're using a clear cup, this makes it even more festive because you can see the decoration. And it's just kind of like what you get when you go to your favorite coffee house. And we'll go ahead and we'll pour it in there. Cool and refreshing, ready to go. Now all you need is a couple of straws, some whipped cream, Christmas sprinkles, or in my case, we're gonna be using some mini chocolate chips. And I think that looks fun and festive. Well, there you have it, our frozen hot chocolate. Super easy, super delicious. Even on a hot summer day, this is gonna go down easy and it's gonna make you think of Christmas. That was super easy. You can use what you already have on hand. This is good all year round, not just during the summer. And definitely a fun thing to know how to make when you're getting ready to have a party or have your family over or what have you. I hope you give frozen hot chocolate a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.